Hi everyone, welcome to Salesforce Beginner Friendly series. My name is Sahil and I'm a Salesforce consultant. In the last video, we learned how to create a developer edition account. And in today's lesson, I'm going to help you navigating around Salesforce platform. This is all about just exploring and getting familiar with the tool itself. Today we will learn about app launcher and different kind of tools in Salesforce. So let's get started. Now that we are logged in, let me show you how to move around using one of the most important areas. This is the page appears when you are logged in. Consider this as a starting point right now. At the top left, you will see 9 dot icon. From here, you can see different kind of apps provided by Salesforce. This is called app launcher. Just for starter, we're gonna go into sales app. Different app shows different layouts and the sales app is one of the most commonly used. So for our screen walkthrough, we will use sales app. As you can see, we are inside the sales app. You can see the application name next to the app launcher, sales. And this is called navigation bar. Each option here takes you to a different work area. These options may change based on the app you choose, and that's completely normal. For now, don't worry about what each option does. The main goal is to understand where things appear and how to move between areas. At the top, you will see a search box. This helps you quickly find records or pages without moving through menus. As your data grows, this will save a lot of time. On the right side, you will see a profile icon. From here, you can open personal options or log out. This area is mainly for user level actions. To left of the profile icon, you see a setup. This is where configuration takes place. As a beginner, you don't need to change anything here yet. We'll explore this area slowly in upcoming lessons. So this is how you access Sales app and move around using the navigation bar. You don't need to remember everything right now. Just focus on getting comfortable moving around. With this, we will stop the screen walkthrough. Alright, that's it for today. Now you know how to navigate around Salesforce. The more you explore, the more comfortable you feel. And don't forget to click around and practice around the platform. In the next lesson, we will go one step further and learn how Salesforce is keeping all the information organized. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel and comment below learner. Till then, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.